British England, British Museum in London. Borrowed it. Yes, and it's 7 beds out of pure meteorite steel, metal falling down from the sky, pressure materials thrown down by the gods. Anybody has to guess how old they are? The oldest man-shaped iron item that they have been able to date and found. Yes?
800.
800. They say that the Iron Age in Northern Europe starts around Christ, a little bit before, so that's already 2,000 years ago.
Yeah. So a little bit out.
Yes. One more.
30,000 years.
Sorry?
30,000 years. 20,000 years.
20,000 is a little bit too much. I think the oldest civilization that they have been found related is about 12,000 years. But these ones are 5,000 years old.
Wow.
And that's 12,000 is really old. But 5,000 is really old, I think. And of course, when you forge something cold, which this was, cold forge, pure heat drive, then it gets really fragile. Really a lot of stress to do, and it gets so fragile it breaks.
Yeah.
So these beds cannot have been for sleeping on. It must have been, I don't know, religious purpose or something. I like to see that they think that the gods throwing down this material. They make this bed too. Because it's nice to sleep and they honor the gods by making beds.
Yeah.
Anyway, I see that the history, the tradition of forging goes back at least 5,000 years old. Hey Pierre! The only way really, this is Pierre. Hey Pierre!
Hi, Pat. Hi.
Pierre is a French traveling man, journeyman, working with me. It's been for a year.
With you, your sidekick?
Yes, it actually fits quite well where I wore before he stormed through the door. The only real good way to learn forging this trade is from master to apprenticeship. You can read a lot of books, you can Google as much you want on YouTube, but you have to be in front of the fire, and you need to learn from somebody who knows it, your master and apprenticeship. And this tradition goes back to 5,000 years. I like to see it as a chain of knowledge. Every blacksmith is a link on this chain going back 5,000 years. And we should be so thankful to all the people before us. We have 5,000 years of failures and mistakes. So we will do a little bit less today. We have this long tradition. But the only really way to do it is to find out, try it, and from failure, this is not working, and trying to find the way that's working. This is working, and it's really, if it works the first time, then it's mostly luck, or you have a good teacher. But failure is a part of being a blacksmith. Even me doing this more than 20 years, failure is a part of the learning process. If I'm going to do a new type model of axe, it will take me at least 10 axes before I know all the steps and how to move the material. The definition of forging is to move steel in hot condition. That's forging. Everything else is metalworking. Grinding, shaping, many ways to shape the steel, but moving steel in hot condition, that's forging. Blah blah blah. I talk so much.
It's all good. So it's all good.
It's important. But yeah. Any questions about me and my role into this?
You're a good teacher. It's not not going to be many questions when you're a good
don't know
teacher.
yet, but hopefully I am. But maybe we just take a few words on everybody. I want to know name, where you're from, and most of all, if you have forged before, and if you have, what you've been doing and how much, just so I know, and just so we. Also, I think it's important that we see this. We're going to share 2 days. We do these 2 days together.
Yeah.
It's a learning process. So learning from each other, helping each other, watching each other. That's also part of this. So trying to experience these 2 days together is important. It takes at least 5 years to know the foundation of blacksmithing. You will not reach that in 2 days. This is scraping on the surface, getting a clue of what this is all about. I will promise you that you will have an axe with you to bring back home tomorrow.
Piece of metal on a stick.
It will not be the nicest axe in the world. It will not maybe be the best axe in the world, but it will be your first own forged axe, and that's what this is all about. The process, the learning process. It's not the axe that's the goal, it's the learning process that's the goal. And sharing that is also important to do together. That's good if we just say.
My name's Martin from London.
Yes.
I'm a maintenance engineer.
What?
Maintenance engineer, so I work on pumps.
Yes.
Mainly, I've done that for 30 years now. So I've done a little bit of metal work,
Yes.
forging and
Yes.
welding.
Yes.
As part of my role.
In a coke fire or?
A little bit of coke,
Yes.
mainly with gas.
Yes, gas oven. No. Good. Bra. Yes.
Billy Ray is my name. I'm from Canada. I'm a faller, timber faller, tree climber.
Yes, good.
No forging experience whatsoever, but I'm a guy that likes to get his hands dirty doing anything he can. So
Good. That's good enough.
that's about it.
Yes, good.
I'm Tim, I'm English, I live in Spain, I live on a farm, but I do a few other bits and pieces. I did a tiny bit of forging when I was younger, literally just sticking rebar in a forge and just to bend it,
Yes.
and that was all, so nothing more.
Yeah.
That was it.
Good.
My name's George from London, work in IT, and I've never done any forging before in my life.
Yeah, my name is Tamara. I'm from Copenhagen, Denmark, and I'm a weight and vessel worker. I've done a little bit of forging, but it's not something I do daily.
Coke forge.
Coal and gas.
Yes. Good.
My name is Don. I'm from Antwerp, Belgium. I studied physics, and I've forged a bit before, so I made bits and bobs, but not really.
A bit.
Yeah.
Small things.
Small things, but not really anything substantial or something.
Coke forge.
Yeah.
Good.
My name is Casper, and I'm also from the brother. I'm both outdoor teacher, and we have a basic course in welding. That's all I've been working with.
What kind of boats?
Mostly wood, but also fiber.
Yeah. Long ships.
Huh?
Long ships.
No, unfortunately.
My name is Oscar, and I am from Malmö. I am a vehicle technician right now. I have very little experience with forging, but I want to learn a lot more.
Yes, good. I'm so happy that you haven't forged that much before, because it makes me happy. Because I see this as for me it's a privilege to show you, open the door a little bit to this magical world of forging. It's gonna just open the door a little bit, and it will be, I think, on the border of what you can take in, just a small one. When we have opened the door totally, it's a total universe, and you can just drown in it, which is really, really nice. One lifetime is not enough for doing everything possible in as many parts as possible, because I think it's nice to do a lot of different things, but also that's a little bit my personality and who I am, and I want. Also, I live up here in Sweden, and there's not that many people, so if you're going to be a blacksmith, you have to say yes to every work that's
sure.
So
Yeah.
you have to be.
You're too versatile.
Yeah, a little bit, but also that's really the nice part of it, and it's make my role as a blacksmith useful, because I can help people. I also, of course, have a few customers, Canada and other countries, but just to be able to do whatever needed, what people need.
To say yes.
Yes, to say yes is nice, and also having that feeling that I can help you with whatever you want. But as I said, just to forging, just to know the steel, the material. I like to see it as a little bit maybe like a chess game. First time you play chess, you have this whatever it is board thing and something to place it, and you have to learn. This one goes this step, this one goes that step, and you have to know how everything is working. You have to know the rules of the game. When you know the rules of the game, then you can train, you can practice, you can learn how to play the game. Then you have an opponent. In this case, it's the steel. You will never ever beat the steel. The only way you can trick it is to learn the game, learn the process. You will always lose against the steel if you don't increase your understanding, your skills of how to move this material, and that's the
So in the end, you come to an arrangement with the steel.
Yes. You yes.
You agree?
Yes. But also that you cannot beat it. You have to work with it. You have to work with yourself, your own skills. So you cannot never beat the material. You can only increase your skills. You can master the material. And when you know how to master the material, then maybe you can become a master.
Would you say there's any restrictions in terms of age for becoming a blacksmith?
No.
Is it better to start very young, or
Yes, of course, because
the years of
more time.
experience?
But apart from that, it doesn't have any.
So if someone was older and was very interested, and they came into blacksmithing, you think they would equally pick it up? And
Yes, of course, and also how your physicals are. That's also personality. If you are small and small guy or big guy, fat or skinny, man or wife, man or woman. It doesn't matter. It's all about your own personality.
Yeah.
And in the end, I think the most important thing is that you need to have the wanting feeling.
Yeah, passion.
Want to do this.
Yeah.
For me, it's almost it's not just wanting. I have to, because otherwise I would like a divorce or something. Yeah.
Okay.
But we will take it really step by step. I will show you, and you will do the same step, and then I'll show next step, and then we will help out each other and reach it. And we're gonna aim of doing a night like this. This is in Gränsfors they call it the outdoor axe. It's a small thing in your backpack, bringing shopping from camping or keep the moves or something. Also, first time in Forge is I think it's a little bit unfair. It's almost a little bit not nice. we have two names for steel and mild steel. And I think that's the way it should be, because it's two different materials and you should see them as two different materials. Mild steel and steel, they work differently. And steel is also harder, even in warm conditions, than mild steel. So making an axe, the first thing you do is, it's really fun. And of course, if you're in Gränsfors, of course, you can make an axe.
Yes.
And I will promise you that you have an axe with you home tomorrow. But also, we're going to spend the whole day today forging on one piece, which makes no mistakes. If you do one mistake, then I have to start all over again. And if that mistake happens 5 to 6 tonight, then we are a little bit
In difficulties.
yeah, then we have a little bit uphill. If we should just do small hooks the whole day, then maybe we do 10, 20 hooks. Then we start damage 1 or 2 that doesn't happen. But on this one, everything we do with this piece is crucial for the end result tomorrow. One burning, it's destroyed. Forging too cold, then it's destroyed. So we have to be in limits all the time. And this is a little bit tricky, which means that you have to be focused. And which means trying to be as close as possible on the steps I try to show you will, of course, help you reach you're laughing already. We haven't started yet.
Not governing by
So, always forging an axe, you always start with the eye. It's not a hole, it's an eye. Important. There's no hole here, it's an eye. And making the eye, we use a done, a chisel to open it, and one for shaping it. In Swedish we call them dun, so from this on they are called dun. Always starting with making the eye, punching the eye, because if you have a bad eye there will be a shit axe, then you make a new one. And because this is a little bit tricky, and because most of my course participants are beginners, we have a blank with a 3 punch.
Okay.
We have to shape it, of course, but it's open. And then you can think, okay, it's not that much. Just keep it up and hammer it, and just. But this is a full day, hard, sweaty work to shape this into this, and that's what we're going to do today. Tomorrow, I have this is in Swedish, so you have to learn to read in Swedish. First is forging, smida. That's what we're going to do today. Tomorrow we're going to normalize it, take away all the stress, bring it up to above 800, take out the stress. We're going to stempla, put your initials into it. We're going to grovslipa, rough grind the edge. We're going to harden the edge, bringing old steel has a precise hardening temperature. We'll bring it up to the precise temperature, quench it in water to make the steel go harder than it is. It will be so hard so it's fragile, so we have to temper it, anneal it, bring back a little bit softness into the steel.
After it's hardened.
After it's hardened. Hardening temperature for Gränsfors steel is 780 degrees. Tempering temperature is 240. This we will only, this temperature is we have a span of 10 degrees. We have to be within the span. If it's too hot for hardening, then it will crack. If it's too low in temperature, it will not get hard enough. And the same with tempering. If it's too warm, then we lost the hardening. If it's too cold, then it's too fragile. So we have to be within 10 degrees. And this temperature we will only find by putting a thumb on it. And then we see the water bubble, and if it's about...
Depends how big it gets.
But we look at the camera. notice so. I'm just sitting here making sure.